Good afternoon, YouTubers. This has been since Friday at noon. No wind, just a little gust. That's it. Just letting you guys know how my system's doing. There's a 10, well, actually 8 100, and the other two over there. A total of 10 100 and two 170s. I'm sitting on a pole. This is how my weekend been so far. And this is where I'm getting our power. It's the sun. Look at 31 watt, 2.3. And the wind, nothing. One windmill, two windmills. This one's the only one I guess a little bit. I'm sorry for the shade. This one gets, oh look, 0.27 watts. And there's no batteries. This one here, we're not using the mini split today, so well, I won't use the mini split all weekend because in case we do lose power, we have a place to crash with the air conditioning. But that's my house. That's what it's consuming. That's why the battery actually worked. My inverter tells me a different story. Hey. But, you know, there are 110 inverters, 110 volts. But this here is a beast. And now they're making 48 volts. So a lot of people better be careful out there. Because that one right there is 4 years old. No problem. So now they make the new one, the new 48 volts. I guess sunless power is going out for the big boys now. Well, just little touching videos. You know how we're doing down here in South Texas. Don't forget to share and subscribe and have a good day tomorrow and every day. Enjoy yourself. Goodbye.